Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PRED. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes seeing some of these supports and resistance levels very straightforward going, into Friday and the next week. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very nice movement today. Good, solid volume, but, just from strictly the price action perspective, the price, continues to work its way upwards. So I want to get some areas mapped out here going into, like I said, Friday and the next week. One of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level, when we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if $2.30 can hold the price. Now, don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below 230, I am not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to actually stay above 230, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes on, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 230 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going into Friday? First level, nothing fancy behind it at all, other than the fact of where, the party just stopped today a couple of times right up there around $2.80. So in the near term, 280 will be the key level. And then from the overarching, point of view, that's where the pink line there will come into play, more so the 200-period moving average. But as of right now, the price first needs to get back above 280, and then you can turn your attention more so to the pink line. But really, resistance levels don't matter. Why do I say that? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing over the past few days, and that is this right here. As long as the price continues to chip away and build these higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations and focus on chipping away at those higher lows and just sit back and let the trend continue to do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.